Oh, Sha, look at the little puppy. What kind of dog is that? Give him a little kiss. Give him a little, oh shit! Oh my! Oh my! You son of a bitch!
Essa fé da puta. Eita desgrama.
Mãe do céu!
Você não filmou? Você filmou? Desgraça, caramba.
Gente do céu!
Não, não, né?
Ah não, meu bem! Gente do...
So a lot of you requested me to feed them a piece of steak, and in today's video I will do that. As you can see, there's a little bone attached to it, and that will be the only thing left of this whole video. Of this whole piece of meat. Now I know that a lot of you want to see me feed them live goldfish, but it's a little more complicated than you think. I would have to buy them, feed them, and keep them disease-free. So it will take like a couple of weeks before I can just fully feed them to my lovely piranhas. Either way, as you can see, they have no trouble going down on this piece of meat and taking all of it, leaving nothing left behind. Now, it's taking longer than usual because, as you can see, they have feared each other for a while, because piranhas naturally are afraid of each other because they fear to be the weakest link in the group, because usually when they're hungry and you're the weakest link in the group, you get eaten. But I take care of my piranhas, so nobody gets eaten except other beings.
İki farklı aile arasında 2 metre mesafeniz şarttır. İki şerit arası 60 santim.
Bakar mısınız şu denizin, güneşin, kumun güzelliğine? İnsan bakınca iç geçiriyor. Herkesin aklında aynı soru var bu ara. Bu yaz gönül rahatlığıyla tatil yapabilecek miyiz?
Denizlemem var, sordular seni neredesin?
1 Haziran geldi çattı. Pazartesi gününden itibaren plajlar da açılıyor.
Şevket, Şevket.
Come in, work, and work. Keep those back machines humming. Work, and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. Keep on, I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, it's a car wash.
Не-не-не, боже мой, не-не. Не-не-не, я пить не буду, не-не-не. Я сейчас пью антибиотики мне. Нельзя, не-не.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
What are you doing?
At my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet. Get off me. We're done. We are over. Go.